Yo, what's up everyone? Today's gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna do a gas stoich video for you with an actual reaction. So this is gonna be fun. So here I have zinc, it's a metal, and it's very pretty. It's like shiny and whatever, and it doesn't really have a shape. I have 5 pieces, each piece is about 1 gram. So I have 5 grams of zinc. And I'm gonna react that with some HCl up there, and we're gonna get zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. What I want to know is how many liters of hydrogen I get out of this. So I measured the temperature of the room today, which is 25 Celsius. It's hot in here. And I measured 1 atmosphere of pressure. And I want to know the volume of this little balloon that I'm going to get when I put this over the reaction. So this should be fun. You ready? Here we go. I'm actually going to do this reaction. I have very concentrated acid, so this goes really fast. That's my whole point. So I'm going to drop the zinc in. 1 piece. 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, and that's 5 grams of zinc for 5. Uh-oh, you're not going to fit, are you? Uh-oh, new piece of zinc. They're all about 1 gram each, so let's put a 5th piece in. There's my zinc, and we're going to put a crap ton of acid in until it's basically up there. I want this reaction to go. So this is about 12 molars of acid. You usually use 1 molar of acid. Molar is concentration. So 12 molars means, yeah, good luck. You're going to burn yourself if this touches you. But I'm going to be okay. And actually, to make you happy, I'm going to go put goggles on. So, okay, my goggles are on. The fashion is here. So here is my zinc again. I'm going to pour my acid in and then very quickly put the balloon over it. So here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh boy, look at that. Immediately, I'm going to cover this, cover it really quick. And I'm going to leave the test tube. You guys see what's going on here? Look at that. Look at this. Looks like it's escaping the balloon. Oh no. Update, the balloon is ripped. This will not work. So I'm going to take a new balloon. We're going to have more error than I've ever wanted in this experiment. My backup balloon is next. I'm going to put my backup balloon on. And here we go. Oh, look at this. I'm going to shake this up a little bit. Hydrogen gas should be being formed in here. And it's forming rather quickly. And as you know, hydrogen gas is very light, so it floats up into the air. This reaction's very hot. It's about, I'm going to guess, around 80 degrees Celsius. Like, it's almost at the boiling point of water. It's very hot. So I'm going to put this here. Oh, look, it's blowing up a little bit. So I'm going to leave this here so that you can look at it. And while we're looking at this, I am going to do this reaction with you. Here we go. So I want to know the volume. Luckily, this one's pretty easy. So if I have 5 grams of zinc, I need the moles of zinc to get the moles of hydrogen gas that's forming. Once I get the moles of hydrogen gas that's forming, I can calculate the volume of this thing. Hopefully that makes sense. So here we go. The zinc is going to be a 1-to-1 ratio with my hydrogen. That's going to be really easy. So I'm going to take my zinc, right? I have my 5 grams of zinc. And I'm going to multiply by 1 mole over the molar mass of zinc. And because I'm lazy, the molar mass of zinc is 65.39 grams per mole. So, this balloon's getting really stretched out right here. So, when I do my zinc, we're going to do a calculator thing real quick. I have 0.076 moles, but we only have 1 sig fig, so we're going to do 0.08 moles. That's going to give us some error. We're going to plug this into PV equals nRT. And look at the other error we have. This pressure's building up. There's no more space for this balloon to expand. So my pressure isn't going to stay at 1 inside the balloon, even though we think it is. There's no way this can expand any further. So that's kind of sad, but that's okay. We're going to figure this out. So here we go. PV equals nRT. I'm going to do this over here. my pressure is 1, my volume is what we're solving for, equals 0.08 times n, which is 0.0821, times t, which is 25 plus 273. These three things are being multiplied, and it equals to 1 times volume. So this should be pretty simple to solve. So let's do it. 1.957 liters. So that rounds up to 2 liters. Now let me ask you something. Does this look like 2 liters to you? No. Like, it should be making 2 liters, but because the pressure is increasing, it's actually going to make a lot less than 2 liters. If this was a bigger balloon, it would work a lot better. Now, here's for the fun part. You know that hydrogen's flammable, and because nobody's in this classroom and I'm wearing goggles, I will blow it up for you. So, we're going to take this off. Now, if you remember from hydrogen gas from our lab, hydrogen doesn't go anywhere as long as it stays so that it's facing downward. So I'm going to tie the balloon. Here's my classroom. I'm going to put the balloon in between the 2 tables to keep the hydrogen right there. I am not letting it go. It's showtime. I'm going to light the match and throw the match at it. I know that's not the best, but whatever. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! My balloon does not want to light. Oh, here it goes. Oh. Oh. Trial and error is science. I might have let some hydrogen out. Okay, so trying this again. This time my balloon is blown up a little bit. We're going to see what happens when I light the hydrogen. I wasn't going to do this on the test tube, but I decided why not. So get ready for the fun part. This is hydrogen gas on fire. 3, 2, 1. Match is lit. Damn, these balloons are like fireproof. Woohoo! Oh my god, it cracked. The whole gas exploded. There you go. Was a little anticlimactic, but it happened. My balloon has a hole in it from the fire. That's okay. It happens. But now I have hydrogen gas escaping from this little hole. Oh, look, it's blowing back up. There it goes. It goes up until the hydrogen starts escaping. And I'm going to do one more little thing here. There we go. That's the hydrogen blowing up. That's what you heard. I put the match over the hole, and it went boom, because that's where it's coming out. And look, it's continuing to come out. Let's do it again. This is fun. I like fire. 3, 2, 1. Woo! One more time. 3, 2, 1. This is fun. Hydrogen gas explosive. It's fun. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid, or in your lab, magnesium plus hydrochloric acid. Both are single replacement reactions. I hope you had fun. I need to edit the heck out of this video. See you later. Good night.